Today we're doing a feather inlay. So you're going to get some feathers, pull all the fuzzy bit off at the bottom. I use CP, so I like to put a little bit where I'm applying it and then stick the feather on. Cut the quills. It's a good idea to cut the quills at an angle so they lay flat, but I didn't do it in this little demo. And then just take your paintbrush or a toothpick or any kind of little sharp pick, basically, and feather out how you want it to lay. And you continue to do this process for however many feathers you're putting on. So this is my base layer for these feathers. I pulled that one down so it matched up and cut the excess off. Once that is dried, I'm going to the second layer, which is like some burnt orange kind of colors with a yellow polka dot on top. And then a little eye. Didn't turn out to be the prettiest feather inlay, but that is the steps to how to do them. Just if you're going to do layers, wait for it to dry in between, and then this is the end result if you decide to do a little trim. Pretty cool little trick whenever you want to put them to on your rods.